I feel like Shreyas already has a whole pitch prepared for this thing, but I'll just ask you the kind of closing sort of piece of it. How can people get involved? What's the next takeaway, and just everything around it?
Yeah, thanks, Karthik. This is great. I do want to like shout out like, a bunch of our grants members. Imran has done an amazing job with especially coordinating with events besides reviewing grant applications. I'm gonna miss out on some people, but yeah, Nick from Gauntlet has done a terrific job. Alex, a bunch of others from the grants stuff. So we definitely want to shout out to them. We're forming the developers now. Carbon Page from our team is leading that, and so if anyone has an interest in basically being part of a small group that's actually working directly for Aave DAO and being involved in core development, it's a really cool opportunity. It's, I think, probably the only opportunity in like among the large DeFi protocols where you can directly work for the DAO and be part of something quite unique. So would recommend applying there. It should be on the aavegrants.org website. I'd say in terms of applying for a grant, we just accept things rolling. And so, if you have anything that you think could improve the Aave ecosystem, Aave users, the community, feel free to apply. The application is short, should be like 15 minutes. And if you have any questions, just reach out to me or DM the Aave Grants Twitter account or something. But yeah, I think that should cover it. Like I also want to thank, I guess, the projects that have applied and built things. It definitely is quite like inspiring and energizing. Like the Aave community is really there's just a lot of experimentation and openness, I think, of the culture. So definitely sort of want to continue to support those projects and new ones as well, and we'll try to build our process out such that folks who have done a good job in these first rounds of grants get some way that they can be involved in the ecosystem and continue to have their sort of reputation carry within the community. So but yeah, thanks Karthik. People can just reach out on Aave Grants Twitter or DM me at hello Shreyas if they have anything.
Amazing. I also want to make sure that I get to thank you because you gave a shout out to everybody, but you're also a big part of that whole process and ecosystem. So thanks for kind of helping out with everything, and thanks for an amazing set of talks today and talking about all the insights from structuring the Aave grants and everything that's next.
Awesome. Thank you. Really had a great time. Thanks, everyone.
Amazing. Well, thanks everybody for watching in. And I want to give also a really big special shout out to Bill 0x for just really being super amazing on the chat here, just giving all the additional context from all the things that we're talking about on chat. So Bill, keep doing that. And also everybody sign up for the Aave News Substack. So with that, I want to close this off today, and we'll all see you on Discord with the rest of the hackathon. And for those of you who are interested in governance and DAOs, we'll see you tomorrow again at 12 p.m. Eastern on ETHglobal.tv for the Governance and DAO Summit. So happy hacking, everybody, and enjoy some lo-fi beats in the meantime. Take care.